Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Canary Capital follows Bitwise in filing for spot XRP ETF. Next, A16Z Exec says stablecoin regulatory clarity needed to avoid FTX-Level issue. Also, VanEck launches $30 million ventures fund for crypto and AI. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, Canary Capital follows Bitwise in filing for spot XRP ETF. Canary Capital has filed for an XRP ETF, hot on the heels of Bitwise, which filed for a similar product a week earlier. Crypto investment firm Canary Capital filed to create a spot XRP exchange-traded fund, the second issuer to bid for an XRP fund in the last 7 days. In an October 8th filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, Canary Capital said its ETF would give investors access to the XRP market through a traditional brokerage account without the potential barriers to entry or risks involved with acquiring and holding XRP directly. Canary said its XRP ETF would track XRP's price using the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or CME, CF Ripple Index, a real-time price benchmark product. The fund would avoid using any derivatives products in tracking the value of XRP, saying that this could subject their product to additional counterparty and credit risks. Canary Capital believes that the design of the trust will enable certain investors to more effectively and efficiently implement strategic and tactical asset allocation strategies that use XRP by investing in the shares rather than purchasing, holding, and trading XRP directly. Canary Capital did not disclose who the custodian of the XRP ETF would be, nor did it clarify what ticker the fund would be listed under. Canary Capital's move to file for an XRP ETF comes 7 days after crypto asset manager Bitwise filed for an XRP fund with the SEC on October 2nd. XRP is currently trading for 53 cents, up 0.4% on the day, and trading flat on the week. If the Canary Capital or Bitwise applications are approved by the SEC, it would be the first spot XRP fund approved by the regulator. Still, there are likely significant barriers to approval, including the SEC's appeal of its lawsuit against XRP issuer Ripple, where the regulator claims the token is an unregistered security and accused the company of raising $1.3 billion through offering XRP. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, A16Z Exec says stablecoin regulatory clarity needed to avoid FTX-level issue. Chris Dixon is bullish on stablecoins, but says Europe is currently leading the United States in protecting consumers and investors. Chris Dixon, the founder of Andreessen Horowitz's A16Z crypto subsidiary, recently discussed his views on stablecoin regulation and the need for further clarity from the United States government. Dixon's commentary came during a talk at the Permissionless 3 event in Salt Lake City, Utah. He began on a positive note, mentioning that the cryptocurrency market in general had begun to overcome many of the previous technological barriers, or gates, as Dixon referred to them. In the present market, there are two big gating factors, according to Dixon. One is infrastructure, and the other is policy clarity. Policy clarity. Dixon's position in the investment world bridges both the traditional finance and digital assets markets, giving him a unique point of view. While many analysts claim that large-scale investors aren't paying attention to application layer startups, according to Dixon, that hasn't been his experience. At least half of our investments in the last few years have been application layer, he says. However, The problem is they can't build what they want to build because they're afraid they're going to spend the next 5 years in court. Dixon said that there's a potential for a real renaissance and unlock with waves of new entrepreneurs, applications, and development in the digital asset space, ushering in new ideas. According to him, the infrastructure is there, but a lack of regulatory clarity is holding the entire sector back. One of the many unfortunate things about the current regulatory regime is it's not only have they gone after the good actors, I would argue that the scams and bad actors are at an all-time high. They just ignored those. Instead of chasing high-profile cases, Dixon advocates for a regulatory policy that prioritizes clarity and provides a path for good actors while eliminating scammers and other bad actors. Number one for consumers, but number two for the industry, he said. There's a potential FTX-level issue if we don't clear that up. Our next top headline, VanEck launches $30 million ventures fund for crypto and AI. VanEck's new $30 million fund, VanEck Ventures, will focus on investment in fintech, crypto, and AI startups building next-generation payments. VanEck, one of the issuers of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the United States, has a new initiative to support early-stage cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence projects. VanEck has launched VanEck Ventures, a $30 million fund investing in fintech, crypto, and AI startups in pre-seed and seed stages, the company announced on October 9th. Among VanEck Ventures' core investment themes, the fund listed tokenized assets, internet-native financial marketplaces, and payments based on stablecoins and tokenized capital markets. Circle Ventures' Wyatt Lonergan and Juan Lopez to lead VanEck's $30 million fund. VanEck's new fund is run by Wyatt Lonergan, the former head of Circle Ventures, and Juan Lopez, who headed Circle Ventures Corporate Development and Ventures. Launched in late 2021, Circle Ventures is a venture fund of Circle Internet Financial, which operates USD Coin, the second largest stablecoin by market capitalization. At Circle Ventures, Lonergan and Lopez invested more than $50 million in early-stage companies, ranging from infrastructure to consumer applications. According to Lonergan, VanEck Ventures' focus on stablecoin projects is relevant because stablecoins will emerge as an open-source banking layer. Over the past few years, we've seen stablecoins enable seamless, large-scale value storage and transfer, along with Linux-like composability, Lopez said, adding, as several on-chain utilities focused on programmability and compliance come to market with growing regulatory clarity, it's never been a more exciting time to build. VanEck Ventures expects to make 25 to 35 investments. In the announcement, VanEck Ventures said it expects to make 25 to 35 investments with capital ranging from $500,000 to $1 million. The fund has already made 4 investments yet to be announced, the company noted. According to a report by The Formation, about 2/3 of VanEck Ventures' capital came from external investors, with the rest from VanEck internally. The fund will reportedly make equity investments and also take stakes in companies in exchange for tokens linked to projects. From pioneering an approach to gold investing in 1968 to recognizing the disruptive potential of Bitcoin in 2017, embracing a long-term view on transformative opportunities has always been part of our investment philosophy, VanEck CEO Jan VanEck said. He added, "This fund extends that vision into the early-stage venture space. We look forward to supporting founders of what we believe are some of the most disruptive companies in fintech, those building the future of finance." So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.